Think chia seeds are the perfect superfood you should add to everything? Well, not so fast. What if I told you that the way most people use chia seeds could actually be doing more harm than good? Yes, tiny mistakes you probably don't even notice can turn this so-called health booster into a hidden problem. And wait until you hear mistake number 4. People make it every single day without even realizing it. Chia seeds are everywhere. In smoothies, oatmeal, protein bowls, even bakery items. They're packed with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the surprising truth. If you're using them the wrong way, you might be setting yourself up for digestive discomfort, dehydration, or nutrient gaps you didn't see coming. So today, I'm breaking down the 7 chia seed mistakes millions of people make, and exactly how to fix them. By the end, you'll know how to get all the benefits without any of the downsides. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, eating them dry. One of the biggest mistakes is eating chia seeds without soaking them first. These tiny seeds expand massively when they meet water. Great for pudding, but not so great inside your throat or digestive tract. Dry chia can swell internally, causing irritation, dehydration, or even blockages. Fix it. Always soak your chia seeds. Use 1 tablespoon of chia with 3 tablespoons of water, and let it sit until it forms a gel. Mistake number 2, eating too much too fast. Yes, chia seeds are full of fiber, but your digestive system doesn't appreciate overloads. A lot of people jump straight into 2 or 3 tablespoons a day and end up with gas, bloating, or constipation. Fix it. Start slow. Begin with 1 tablespoon a day and increase only if your body handles it well. Mistake number 3, not drinking enough water. Chia seeds absorb a lot of liquid, so if you eat them without drinking enough water, they can actually contribute to dehydration. Fix it. Pair your chia meals with plenty of water, or mix chia seeds into hydrating foods like smoothies or yogurt. Mistake number 4, treating chia seeds like a full meal. Chia seeds are nutrient dense, but they are not a complete meal. Some people mix a tablespoon of chia with water or milk and call it breakfast. That may keep you full for a little while, but it lacks protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Fix it. Use chia seeds as part of a balanced meal. Add yogurt, fruit, oats, nut butter, or protein powder. Mistake number 5, not checking how they're grown. Many non-organic chia seeds are grown with pesticides, and over time, these chemicals can affect hormones and overall health. Fix it. Choose organic or non-GMO chia seeds whenever possible. Mistake number 6, storing them incorrectly. Even though chia seeds look like they last forever, they don't. Heat and sunlight can damage their healthy fats, making them taste bitter and losing their nutritional value. Fix it. Store them in an airtight container, in a cool, dark place. Your pantry or fridge works best. Mistake number 7, ignoring possible allergies. Chia seed allergies are real. Symptoms like itching, stomach discomfort, or swelling might be a sign your body doesn't agree with them. Fix it. If you notice unusual reactions, stop eating chia seeds and switch to alternatives like flax or hemp seeds. You might be thinking, wow, I probably made a few of these mistakes. Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is that every one of these issues has a simple fix. And with just a few small changes, you can enjoy all the benefits of chia seeds without any of the downsides. So remember, soak them, start slow, stay hydrated, store them properly, and choose good quality seeds. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who loves chia seeds. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips to help you live your best life. Got your own chia seed experiences or advice? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them.